and welcome to Cooking with Keri. Today we're going to be making uncooked chocolate cookies, which we like to call mud pies. Most of the ones you can find online have a peanut butter added into these ones. These ones are peanut butter free. So in case you're looking for a recipe that doesn't include peanut butter, this is one that will work for you. If you're new here, I'm so excited that you're here. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my other videos. Each week, I use common kitchen and pantry ingredients to turn it into good food for you and your family to enjoy. Today, I'll be creating a simple dessert that's easy to make and tastes great. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell so you get notified and won't miss any of these other great videos when they come out. Let's get cooking. Ingredients are butter, milk, sugar, cocoa, salt, vanilla, coconut, rolled oats. We're gonna mix the first ingredients together in a saucepan, then we're going to mix the other things into it. Super duper easy. Do that, drop it onto wax paper or parchment paper, and it cools and it's ready to eat. So great thing for those beginner cooks that are trying their baking for the first time. If you're comfortable with them using the stovetop, this is a recipe that they can help you with. So this recipe starts with a 1/4 cup of butter, which we have begun to melt on the stovetop at medium heat. While that's doing melting, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of cocoa to 2 cups of sugar. Help it to combine a little bit easier with it being part of the sugar. There we go. That butter has melted. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of milk to that. And next I'm going to add the sugar and cocoa mixed together. And I just decided to add it all in at once. And now I'm going to mix it together. Okay, these ingredients now need to come to a boil. And then we're going to let it boil for 1 minute once it's reached a boil state. Okay, we have a boil. So now we're going to cook it for 1 minute before we remove it from the heat. Cocoa mixture off of the oven, and now it's time to add our salt and our vanilla. So first is 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix those all in together. In this bowl, I have 3 cups of oatmeal. I chose instant oats is what I'm using, and then 1/2 cup of coconut. And you can use up to 1 cup of coconut depending on what your family preference is. And now I'm going to take this and pour it. And then mix these all up together. Now, if your mixture ever looks a little too wet, you can always add a little bit more oatmeal or coconut. You can't ever go back, so don't make it too dry because you do need it to stick together. Because we don't need a cookie sheet, we're not baking this at all, I've just rolled out some parchment paper and I'm going to drop the cookies onto this, and they're going to cool in this shape and be ready to serve. So, do about 1, 2, well, and you can determine what size of cookie you want. So let's see here. I'm going to spread a little bit. There you go. We don't want these huge, we want them to be like 2 bites. And that's how you make Mudpie cookies. If you've enjoyed cooking with me today, please like the video. And I encourage you to subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all the cooking videos that we like to release. They're done usually once a week, and there's a whole bunch of family favorites that we enjoy that I want to share with you. So thanks for joining Cooking with Keri today, and hopefully we'll see you another time.